My name is Harley Godwin, and I'm going to be telling you about constructivism. Constructivism could be considered brain-friendly teaching. In an article by Audrey Gray, she states constructivist teaching is based on belief that learning occurs as learners are actively involved in a process of meaning and knowledge, as opposed to passively receiving knowledge. For my foundational theorists such as Lev Vygotsky, Ernest von Glaserfeld, and Jean Piaget, each three of these men have a very big, crucial role in the teaching style of constructivism. Vygotsky states that social interaction is crucial in the development of cognition. Von Glaserfeld in 2013 said radical constructivism provides an epistemological theory of knowledge approach where cognizing individuals creates meaning and understanding. And lastly, Piaget is known for his genetic epistemology, his cognitive development, and he says people produce knowledge and form meaning based on experience. Now we will talk about traditional versus constructivism. In a traditional classroom, students are passively learning, lecture-based, typed, and in a constructivism classroom, students are actively learning and doing activities. All curriculum goes by state standards. However, this curriculum uses a process approach where teachers are engaging. Students are viewed in the center of this approach, and students work together actively and engaged constantly, working in groups. They also can develop negotiations with each other. An example would be to have two students show how they can complete a math problem. Each student may get the same answer, but do it completely differently. Next, the teacher's role is to be flexible with students and create ongoing experiences in the classroom. The teacher's role is to be a facilitator and a consultant. For assessment in this type of learning, they use formative assessment. Constructivism focuses more on student learning than teacher teaching. Now we will talk about the PAR model: present, apply, and review. Research suggests students only retain 20% of what they know. Therefore, they use this strategy to prepare students and give the goals. Students will apply that towards new learning and then go back over what is being taught. In each of these three stages, the teacher will constantly give feedback to the students and help them. For my example of the PAR model, I chose a math lesson. My standard is apply properties of operations and strategies to multiply and divide. For the presentation part, I will present multiplication facts and properties of operations with students. An example of this was 6 times 4 is equal to 24, therefore 4 times 6 is equal to 24. I will then give students a worksheet for them to apply their knowledge. Lastly, I will review with my students and have them present a few problems. This is where I would pull out my equity sticks and pick 3 people or more from those sticks, using them for them to come up to the classroom and present their order of operations. These are the resources I used to find all that information. Thank you.